Welcome to Sonic Sciences. Since time immemorial, the wisdom of traditional Chinese medicine has been guiding us toward harmony with the natural world. At the heart of this ancient practice lies the concept of the 5 elements: wood, fire, earth, metal, and water. These elements not only shape the physical world, but also influence our bodies, emotions, and spirits. Today we'll dive deep into the fascinating world of the 5 elemental sounds, exploring how these vibrations can be harnessed for healing and balance. Let's begin with the element of wood, represented by the sound shu. This element is associated with the liver and gallbladder, organs that are closely tied to the emotion of anger. The sound of shu helps to dissipate anger, frustration, and tension. When practiced regularly, it can soothe the liver, promoting patience and emotional flexibility. Imagine yourself standing in a peaceful forest, surrounded by ancient trees. As you exhale the sound shu, envision the anger melting away, absorbed by the earth beneath your feet. Next, we turn to the element of fire, which governs the heart and small intestine. This element is linked to the emotion of joy, but also to its excess, overexcitement, and anxiety. The sound he, resonates with fire, calming the heart and promoting a serene sense of joy. As you release the sound picture a warm glow in your heart, calming any anxiety or restlessness. Feel the joy within, balanced and steady, as if you're basking in the warmth of a gentle flame. This practice helps regulate the heart's energy, bringing a peaceful, joyful state of being. The visuals change to a scene of rich, fertile soil with plants growing strong. The earth element, connected to the spleen and stomach, is the foundation of our physical and emotional stability. The sound hu resonates with earth, aiding in digestion and providing a sense of grounding. The practitioner exhales the sound hu with a deep, resonant tone. The sound is grounding, like the steady pulse of the earth itself. As you exhale hu, visualize yourself rooted to the ground, connected to the earth's nourishing energy. This sound helps to release worry and overthinking, bringing clarity and calm. Imagine the sound vibrating through your body, stabilizing and harmonizing your digestive system. Visuals now shift to a crisp, cool autumn day with leaves of gold and red falling gently. Metal governs the lungs and large intestine, organs connected to the emotions of grief and sadness. The sound si, resembling the hiss of air, is associated with metal. It helps clear the lungs and large intestine, allowing the release of deep-seated grief. The practitioner inhales slowly and then exhales the sound s with a sharp, clear tone. The sound is like a crisp autumn breeze, sharp yet refreshing. With the sound s, envision any sadness or grief leaving your body, carried away by the wind. This practice opens the lungs, clears the respiratory pathways, and helps release emotional burdens. The sound of metal cuts through stagnation, bringing clarity and a sense of letting go. Finally, we come to the element of water, which governs the kidneys and bladder. This element is associated with the emotion of fear. The sound chui, resembling a soft blow of air, resonates with water, helping to calm and strengthen the kidneys. The practitioner exhales the sound chui with a soft, sustained breath, like the gentle flow of water. The sound is fluid and calming. As you exhale chui, imagine a calm river flowing through you, washing away fear and tension. This sound nourishes the kidneys, the source of vital energy in the body, and instills a deep sense of peace and security. The water element sound brings fluidity and calm, helping us navigate the currents of life with resilience. Visuals transition to a harmonious blend of all 5 elements: trees, fire, earth, metal, and water, interacting in a balanced cycle. These 5 elemental sounds are more than just exercises. They are a form of meditative healing that aligns the body, mind, and spirit with the natural rhythms of the universe. By incorporating these sounds into your daily practice, you can release blocked emotions, restore energy flow, and cultivate a profound sense of inner balance, vibrating the 5 elemental sounds. Now that we've explored the theory behind the 5 elemental sounds, it's time to experience their healing vibrations for ourselves. Find a quiet space where you can sit comfortably and take a few deep breaths to center yourself. We'll go through each sound one by one. As you exhale, allow the sound to resonate deeply within you. Let's begin. Wood element, liver, gallbladder. Sound shu. We'll start with the wood element. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, softly whisper the sound shu, shu, like a gentle breeze through the trees. Fire element, heart, small intestine. Sound ha. Visual, a warm, glowing flame softly crackling. Next we move to the fire element. Inhale deeply, and as you exhale, release the sound ha, he, feeling the warmth of the flame in your heart. Earth element, spleen, stomach. Sound hu. Now let's connect with the earth element. Breathe in deeply. And as you exhale, let out the sound hu, feeling the grounding energy of the earth beneath you. Metal element, lungs, large intestine. Sound sus. Next is the metal element. Inhale deeply. And as you exhale, release the sound s, like a sharp, clear breeze cutting through the air. Water element, kidneys, bladder, in sound. Chui, visual, a calm river flowing gently beneath a layer of ice. Finally, we embrace the water element. Breathe in deeply. And as you exhale, softly blow the sound chui, like the gentle flow of water, calming and refreshing. Well done. You've just experienced the healing vibrations of the 5 elemental sounds. By practicing these sounds regularly, you can align your body's energy with the natural rhythms of the world around you, promoting balance, harmony, and well-being. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the 5 elemental sounds in traditional Chinese medicine. We invite you to practice these sounds, feel their resonance, and experience the healing power they bring. Stay tuned to Sonic Sciences for more journeys into the world of sound, vibration, and natural healing. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video with others. Stay tuned for more content on traditional Chinese medicine and the healing power of sound. Thank you.